Thank you, appreciate it. How you doing, sir? How are you? How are you, sir? Made it. We made it. We're here.
We're here.
One step closer.
One step closer to get into Dubai.
We made it.
We made it.
14 and a half hours later.
14 and a half hours.
Now it's time to go meet our travelers and collect our luggage.
You've got the longest electronic train. It's very popular.
We finally made it to the room.
I need a bath.
I need a bath too. 14 and a half hours of air flight, transfers, airport. But yes, we're here in the room. It's wonderful. And it wouldn't be a travel vlog or video, whatever you want to call it, unless we did the typical room tour, right?
Of course.
So we're going to do that, but it's going to be a little remix. Ricky. It's going to be Class A, but
Brief.
boom. Watch, check it out.
Les closets.
Desk.
Chaise lounge. Le bed. Le bath.
Eau de toilette or toilet. Eau de toilette sounds very classy though. But boudet for your bootay.
Well, that was the remixed version of our room tour.
Hope you enjoyed it. It was Class A, but
Brief. Now, if you want to see the entire room video where we talk about the amenities of the hotel, check out the link below in the comments section.
absolutely, because you know we do have a full-fledged traditional room tour for the traditional YouTubers. But if you want to learn more about our other upcoming adventures for fun and professional couples, go to sitadventures.com. That's also going to be in the description as well. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you on the next adventure.